Yes, good afternoon, everyone. How are you all?
I'm fine.
Okay,
Fine, miss.
okay, we all are very fine.
Fine.
It's fine. We will begin with our today's session. Just a minute. Are you all able to see the screen?
Yes, miss.
Okay, the screen is visible. Okay. Okay, now students, just tell me what you all are able to see.
Season.
Yes. What is there in this first picture?
Season.
What is this there in this first picture?
Season.
Season.
Winter.
Where is the winter season?
Third one.
Third one. You are able to see these three kids?
Yes, miss.
Huh. What this boy is doing?
Sitting near the well.
Okay. What about this girl
Sit on the bridge.
and this elder girl also? So, by seeing all these three pictures, what comes in your mind?
It is very sad.
How they are? Yes.
It is sad.
Yes. The all three are sad. Yes. Why do you think they are sad?
All of sad.
What comes in your mind? Why they might be sitting and they are sad? Yes. Any reason? Any reason?
There are on second picture there are some trees and meanings of communication.
See, now I'm going to show you the next picture. See now, what is happening in this picture?
It is very happy. Yes, it is very happy. They are happy.
They are happy by comparing this first picture. When we see the second picture, we see the happy faces. Where in the first picture, all three are sad. They are
Sad.
sitting alone. Yes?
Yes. Yes.
They are sad, and the second picture, they seems very happy. What can be the reason of being happy? Just guess the answer. What can be the reason why they are happy? Yes?
Something good happened with them.
Something good happened to them. In this picture. In the first picture, what they are doing?
He's speaking.
They are talking to each other. In the,
Yes. Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
yes. In the second picture,
He's eating.
they are eating together. Here,
Here.
they are playing together. Yes. So, means
Yes.
not whenever we are with someone, we feel what?
Nice. Good.
We feel nice, good,
Happy.
Yes, we feel happy. And whenever we are sitting alone, all alone, we feel sad.
We are sad.
To stay all alone in the forest? Would you like
No.
to be there in the all alone place where
No.
no one is there, nobody is there to chit chat, talk? You always want somebody along with us, no? Yes.
Yes, miss. Yes,
Okay.
miss.
When you meet your friends or family members, what we usually do? Come on, tell me. When you meet your friends or any other family member, what do you do together?
We play together.
Yes, play, then
We speak, man. We talk together.
yes, you talk to each other,
And
eat together. Yes, these all the things. We share our things, we share our ideas. Yes, we share our thoughts, ideas, and whatever information we have with us. Okay, you might be sharing the things with your grandmother or grandfather or with your parents whenever you meet them. Whatever happens in your school or in your surroundings or with your friends. Yes, so we usually share all these things, thoughts, ideas, and information. Yes. So
yes, miss.
whenever we share these things with each other, There should be sharing, our children. Okay, if only I am talking and you people are listening, this is not. So what do you think when we people are sharing with each other? What is this called? I am talking and you are listening.
Communication.
Communication. Yes, communication. If I am only talking and you people are not responding to me, is it a communication?
No.
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 There should be exchange. Okay, there should be exchange
No.
of information. Both of them need to talk. Yes, then only
Yes.
called communication. So today, children, we all are going to discuss the topic of our SST lesson number 8, means of communication. Okay, this lesson we all are going to discuss today. Fine. So now, through this,
Yes, miss.
know that when we send or receive the messages, okay, any message when we send or receive, we say that we are communicating, and there should be exchange of information from here to here and from here to here. It should be both sided. Okay, this is called communication, and in this lesson we will be discussing more about different means of communication. So what do you think, children, ki usually very simple, how do we communicate with each other? If
We talk
we
them.
communicate by
Speak
yes, by
and
speak,
communicate.
speak by talking. Yes, correct, very good. The most common method of communication is through listening and speaking. When someone is speaking and the other person is what?
Listening.
Listening, exactly. So this is the most common method of communication. Wherein we use what? When we are talking to someone, what do we use? We use
Words.
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 We use
Words.
words. Okay, so this is called verbal communication.
Words.
Okay, whenever we speak to someone using the help of words, it is called verbal communication. Say everyone, verbal communication.
Verbal communication. Verbal
Verbal
communication.
communication. Okay, understood this much, everyone?
Yes. Yes,
Communication.
Yes,
When we exchange the information, this is called communication, and wherein we use the words to communicate, verbal communication. Fine. So now, is it possible to communicate without using words? Come on.
No.
Come on, think and tell me the answer. Is it possible
No.
to communicate without,
No. No.
means I wanted to talk to you but without using words? Come on, think over it. I wanted to give a message to someone.
By writing or texting.
Okay, in that also I am using words, no beta? Words are used in that. If I wanted to say something without talking, if you wanted to tell anything,
We take action.
talking. Yes, through? Who gave the answer? Yes, through?
We can action.
Yes, we can do the action, Dhanraj, correct. Okay?
Yes.
What we can do, we can take the help of the actions. So yes, it is possible to communicate without using the words, and that is through actions. It is called non-verbal communication. Okay? Wherein we use what? Actions, facial expressions, or pictures or gestures, wherein words are not used. See this picture. In this picture you can see a boy showing the different facial expressions. Although this boy is not talking to us, are you able to understand what the boy is going to tell? Means what is his message? See the first picture. This one. What do you think this picture is telling us? It is giving us a kind of message. This first picture.
No.
This one. What is this expression is telling us?
No.
No? Come on, other children. Guess. When do we do the action like this?
He is saying no.
He is saying no. We usually nod our head to say no, no? When we do the action like this. Yes? Yes? कधी करतो आपण असं ॲक्शन ओ When do we do?
When we have mistake.
Okay, when we usually do the mistake, then we say oh no. Yes?
Miss? Yes.
Yes.
Miss?
Yes, beta. Yes, tell me.
Because they have problem.
Okay, if you are in any kind of trouble, if you are in any kind of trouble, that time also we do the action like this.
Yes.
Okay, this one now. Yes. Who is this?
Miss, my battery is only 20%.
20%. Okay, put it for charging, beta. Okay, put the mobile
Okay, miss.
in the meantime. Okay, now this second last boy, what do you think he is doing? Come on. Second last picture. This one or this one. What the boy is going to tell? What message the boy is giving us? What do you understand by seeing this picture? This one or this one? When do you do? When you take out your tongue like this? Come on, try to guess. When we tease someone?
When we do fight.
Okay, when you do fighting with someone, you show your faces like this. Okay, so this is all non-verbal communication wherein we do not use the words. Okay, and can anybody tell me any person do you know who is using non-verbal communication every day? Who is using actions to give the message to someone? Do you know any person?
Who could not talk?
Yeah. Okay, the children who are not able to talk. Yes? Very good. Who else? On the roadside, every day we see on the that particular person standing, and he is managing the vehicles on the roadside. Who's that person? Who is using the actions?
Traffic police.
Yes.
Traffic police.
Yes, exactly. The traffic
Traffic police.
Yes. Is he talking to each and every vehicle?
Traffic police.
Is it?
No.
No. What he is doing? In this picture, you are able to see this is a lady who is using the action, hand movements, and she is using her whistle. Okay, wherein you might have seen many a times traffic police showing the actions like this. Vehicles for going this side or the right side, left side, or to stop like this, she is showing hands. So these are our actions wherein communication. And these are the children who are unable to speak. Yes, although they are unable to speak, they are able to talk, they are able to communicate using what? What they are using? Action, their hand movements. Okay. Children, there are special schools wherein all the kids are learning how to communicate with each other using their fingers and some of the hand movements. So it is non-verbal communication. Okay, now see the first one picture. What this picture is conveying a message? This one, red color one.
He is very angry.
Angry. Yes, someone is angry.
Sad.
And this one?
Sad. Happy.
Someone is happy.
And happy.
So just by seeing the picture also, just by seeing the picture also we get the message, no? Is this picture talking to you?
No.
No.
Yes, it is communicating with you through its expression. Okay? Fine. So what all things we have seen? communication. Okay, we have seen a communication. What is communication? So can anybody tell me what is communication? Come on. Anyone? What is communication?
Someone say and someone hears.
Okay.
Then someone say and someone hears.
Okay. Exchange of knowledge, ideas, information. Okay. So very
Thoughts
simple,
and feelings.
yes, thoughts and feeling also. So in very simple form, what we can say, the exchange of information is called communication. Okay. So here is the communication on the top, and there are two types of communication. The first one is
Words and action.
what is the first type? Verbal communication.
Verbal communication.
And what do we use in verbal communication?
We talk.
We talk
Communication. Words.
Words.
We talk together.
Yes, we talk to each other.
Non-verbal communication.
The another type of
Non-verbal communication.
non-verbal communication. In normal verbal communication, we use what?
Action.
Actions, gestures,
Action.
facial expressions. Fine?
Yes,
ma'am.
What is the communication? So there are main two types of communication, verbal and non-verbal.
Non-verbal and verbal.
Okay, now we understood communication. Now we are going to see the different means of communication, using the different things which we can communicate. For this, I am going to show you a video. Okay, just a minute, children. Okay, just listen to the audio properly.
Do you know how
Are
people
you all able to hear the sound?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Communicate? Jia, what does communicate mean? It's a big word for how we share
Just
things.
a
The voice is
yes,
echoing.
beta. Yes. Any problem?
The voice is echoing.
Yes,
The
miss.
voice is echoing.
Yes.
Okay, okay. You all like everyone mute yourself. Mute and listen to the audio. Okay?
The telephone. That's one way. We dial numbers on a telephone
Yes,
to
echoing.
call people. Radio. It plays the news or songs. This is my favorite. Television. We watch and listen to the news and many shows on the television. The newspaper, Mummy and Daddy read it every morning. It has the latest news and funny cartoons. A letter. That's a long written note that can be posted and sent to your friends anywhere. Postcard? A holiday picture to say hello. Email is a letter that is sent through the computer. A cell phone. Simple. It's a telephone that you can carry and use anywhere.
Okay. Now, in this video, we have seen the different means of communication. Using all these things, we can communicate, which is helping us to communicate with each other. Okay, let us see.
Help us with our treasure hunt.
Okay, now moving on further, there will be a small treasure hunt game. Okay, so first of all, we'll discuss about some of these all means of communication. You all know this. What is this? This one?
Television.
Television. What do you do on it using this television?
We see movies and pictures.
Watching cartoons.
Yes, very important thing. Watching cartoons, no? TV shows, sports. Very good. Okay,
And
even
news.
live shows, live sports events we can see on this
Yes, we can
television.
see news also.
Okay, just by sitting at home, we can enjoy, we can entertain ourselves. Yes? So this is also one of the means of communication. What is this?
Telephone. Telephone.
Telephone. And this one?
Cell phone.
Cell
Telephone.
phone or mobile phone or mobile phone. So can anybody tell me the difference between these two? Any one difference if you
Talk to other.
by using both we can talk to each other.
There is no
Anyone.
wire.
They have.
Okay, this mobile phone is not having any wire. Yes? This is usually called as
Mobile phone is very small
landline.
and telephone is big.
Very big.
And telephone has. We can carry telephone, but we cannot carry telephone.
Very good. Okay. Fine, fine. Thank you.
Telephone.
Okay, very good. Now listen to me, children. Very good. You all gave the correct answers. We cannot carry this landline phone with us wherever we go. Likewise, if we are going to the mall, we are going for a party, we can carry this mobile phone, but not this landline phone, telephone. Okay. Now, what is this one?
Newspaper.
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 Newspaper. At what time we are getting this newspaper at our home?
We get news.
What time this newspaper is coming to our house?
6:30.
Okay, means in the morning. Yes.
Yes.
Morning the newspaper is coming to our doorstep, and every family they're opening it for getting the fresh news of that particular day. Okay, what is this one?
Computer.
Computer. What is the use of a computer?
Computer.
What is the use of this computer? Why do we use? How this computer is helping us to communicate?
We can chat.
What check?
To chat.
Yes, we can chat with our family
We can
members
draw
with
drawing also.
Yes, drawing also can be able to. And what is written on the screen? What is written on the screen? Yes, movies also.
Email.
Email. What is email?
Email means
We
send the
can
message.
communicate from it.
Yes, email means electronic mail. We can send a message to anybody else, anybody, through this email facility which is available on a computer. Through it. And what is this one? In
Paper.
A paper and
Okay. And something is written on a paper. What can it be?
and pad.
It is one of the means of communication. Something is written on this paper. When do we write on a paper to communicate with someone? What it is called?
Letter.
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 Exactly. So this is a letter. And this one?
Radio.
Radio. What is the use of radio?
We can hear songs.
Hear songs. What else?
Can hear also
And what else?
news.
News also is it. We are able to hear the news also on this radio. Okay, so is it possible? So now we all have seen all these means of communication. Okay, which is helping us to communicate with each other. Okay, with this world. Fine, now treasure hunt game begin. Listen to the hint given in this game. Listen.
A walkie-talkie will give us hints. Click on the correct method of communication.
This is where you can hear the news.
We can hear the news using this means of communication. Which? Here, we can hear the news using
Radio.
radio.
Television.
Okay, on television,
Television
we are
also.
able to see also. Yes?
Yes.
They are asked only to hear. Okay, so it's radio. Next hint.
Here you can watch and listen to programs and shows.
Watch
Television.
the programs using
Television.
television. Is it correct?
That's right.
Yes, it's right.
Pick this up to read the news.
Okay, now we wanted to read the news. For that, which means of communication is going to help?
Paper.
Newspaper.
Newspaper. Very good.
Yippee!
Come on, go to the next thing.
This is what you write and post to your friends.
We are writing and posting it.
Mobile.
We are writing it,
Letter.
posting it.
Letter.
Letter. Correct.
Hooray!
You can use this object to speak to people who are far away, but you cannot take it everywhere with you.
Which is this one?
Miss Line.
Telephone.
Yes, telephone, the landline.
Telephone. That's right.
We cannot carry it. The voice is echoing, no? Just a minute. Okay. Fine. Telephone will listen.
This is a letter sent using a computer.
On a computer, if you wanted to send a message,
Email.
Mail. Email.
email. Okay, it is
That's right.
electronic mail.
You can carry this tiny telephone and use it anywhere.
Mobile phone.
Phone.
Cell phone or
Mobile
mobile
phone.
phone. Okay, cell phone or
That's
mobile phone.
right. We win. Thank you for helping us.
Okay, now we get to know about all the means of communication. Okay,
Yes.
these are the means through which we are able to communicate. Okay, we can exchange the information, we get the information. Okay, very good, children. Now moving on further, there is one more thing which we are going to do. Just a minute. Okay. Take the correct mode of communication and then write a sentence about it in the given space. Okay? So now this is...
A mobile phone.
Wait. Everyone get to know the question, no, beta? Yes? What mode of communication is the woman using? SMS,
Mobile phone.
phone or telephone?
A mobile phone.
A mobile phone. Okay, can anybody tell me any one sentence on this word mobile phone? Any one sentence?
We use mobile phone to call other people.
Yes, we use a mobile phone to call the people. Very good sentence. Now the second question. What mode of communication is the man using? Postcard, letter, email?
And email.
And email. Okay, and email. Okay, this person is using an email. Now, tell me any one sentence.
We use email to communicate.
Yes, we use an email facility to communicate. Very good. Now, moving on further, we'll have a small, what is this? Quiz. Okay? Just a minute. What is the first question asked here? Jiggy is going on a holiday. How can he keep in touch with his friends? Okay? Jiggy is going on a holiday. Now he wanted to keep in touch with his friends. For that,
Email. A1 email.
this is letter.
Email.
Children, this is letter, television,
Letter.
radio or newspaper.
Letter.
Letter.
A.
Through the letter he can keep in touch with his friends. We'll check the answer. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. We'll go on to the next question. Which of these is a letter? A, B, C, D.
T.
A.
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 We'll check the answer. Correct. Next question is, which of these is used to give many people in a city information?
Newspaper.
Newspaper. B.
We'll check. Correct it is. Next question, which mode of communication can we use to contact your father or mother in the office?
Telephone.
Telephone. Telephone.
Telephone. Correct it is. Okay, now one more question. Which is the slowest mode of communication? Very slow.
Letter.
Yes, the
Letter.
letter is
Letter.
reaching very late.
Letter.
Okay. Telephone call and other things are fastest, and this is the slowest one. Okay. Very good, children. So in our today's session, we have seen all these things about means of communication. Okay, just a minute. One more thing, children. Just a minute. Okay. So these we have seen all these means of communication. So now what we all are going to do in our ERAC app, in our textbook. Just a minute. This is our textbook. It's opening, we'll wait. On ERAC app, on lesson number 8, means of communication, there are few quizzes, children. Okay? So those quizzes you can solve going on app, which is available in your mobile phone. So in chapter number 8, you will search the quizzes and you will try to solve those ERAC quizzes today in the evening time. Okay? Let me show you the, just a minute. Okay, apart from this, what, there are few practice zone, children. The textbook is unable to load. Okay, it is open. I'll just show you the practice zone which is given in your textbook. Okay, here it is. The practice zone 1 and the practice zone 2. Okay. So first of all, what you are going to do, you are going to read the lesson thoroughly, properly. Okay, and then you will try to solve the practice zone 1 and practice zone 2 all by yourself without taking anyone's help. Huh? Okay, and in our next session, we will be discussing both the practice zone. We will cross check the answers. Fine?
Okay, Miss.
And apart from this, what I have told you all, solve the EDAC quizzes which are available on the app. Okay, in quiz section there are quizzes available. So I want you all to please go through the quizzes and solve those quizzes. You need to solve and submit. Fine? So in our today's session we have seen the different means of communication. Okay, the different means of communication we have seen. We can communicate with each other.
Miss,
Okay, understood? Yes. Anybody having any doubts?
No, Miss. No, Miss.
Fine. Thank you everyone.
No.
One by one you all can leave the session.
Bye, Miss.
Take care. Yes. Thank you all. Leave the session one by one. Yes. Bhumkar, leave the session.